Pony when he's used to go over there. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes! Yes! That was awesome.
What the hell did you read?
Did you get a face?
Well, I had it recording the whole time.
No, was that good when I said
Yeah.
it? I'm like, oh, you have to rearrange your dress. You look so tall, and I walked away because I didn't. She did it. No. And your face was like, oh.
What is going on?
What do you think is going on?
Wait, I want to see it. George Takei.
George Takei's the man, dude.
Oh my gosh, I want to see the face. I want to see the face.
So, Rochelle, how do you feel about your coworkers right now?
You guys all suck.
Yeah. I thought so.
It was long.
It was.
Like, what?
Did you hear it?